Hey guys, this is a 2025 Tesla Model 3, long range, rear wheel drive, rebuilt title, front end damage right through here, all been fixed up, ready to go. Has gone through Tesla's high voltage test, so it will supercharge, making sure that all the battery, there's no damage to it. It's gonna charge like it should. So there's your software screen, hardware 4, so it has full self-drive. You just have to pay for the subscription. This is where you'd pay for the subscription, full self-drive. Obviously some more stuff that you can pay for. Service, seats, heated and cooled seats. Your headlights, dome lights, you do have accent lights. Those lights run all the way around here. As you can see, you can have them change colors to whatever you want. Cool feature. Your self-jar. So 314 miles, projected was 315 a minute ago, so that's how many miles we get to a full charge. All the fun little things that you can do with Tesla. This hardware 4 is when you can actually don't even have to touch the wheel. Pretty slick. I'm buying up everything I can with it. It is a game changer. Look at your steering wheel, your dash. You can kind of see that green light. Back here, you can control your seats, all your games. So less than 300 miles on this thing. Pearl white, black interior, rebuilt title, front end damage, all been fixed up. Passed high voltage test. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.